Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I am going to be sharing some crochet girl shoes designing ideas. Crochet is a great way to make unique and stylish shoes for your little one. It's also a fun and rewarding hobby that you can enjoy together. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Flower sandals. They are a great way to add a touch of summery flair to your little one's outfit or to your outfit. You can use different colors of yarn to make the flowers, or you can use a single color and add some beads for decorations. Sneakers. These are more practical option for everyday wear. You can use a sturdy yarn, make them in a solid color, or you can add some strips or other detail for more stylish look. Boots. They are perfect for keeping your little one feet warm in the winter. You can use a thick yarn and make them in a cozy color, or you can add some fur for extra warmth. Ballet flat. They are a classic and elegant option. You can use a delicate yarn and make them in a neutral color, or you can add some lace or other embellishment for more feminine look. Slipper. They are must-have for any little one wardrobe or your wardrobe. They are comfortable and easy to wear, and they can be made in variety of color and pattern. These are just few ideas to get you started. The possibilities are endless. So get creative and have fun crocheting your shoes for yourself or for your little one. Viewers, if you want to add some embellishment on it, like some fur, like some bow, some other embellishment, some stickers or anything else, then viewers also attach them. Some viewers want very solid sole, for example like bed sole or 2 feet sole or height sole. Then viewers attach high sole by yourself or hire professional for it.